We love our tropical weather, and the best way to have fun in the sun is with some tropical music. The duo Straight Up is here with their mix of pop, reggae, and calypso in today's Sounds of the Suncoast. Take it away, guys.
Trees of green, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Oh yeah, you know the colors of the rainbow look so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of the people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, but saying how do you do? And what they're really saying, baby, is that I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah, yeah. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Wow.
Oh, that was
awesome.
fantastic.
Can you guys follow me around and sing for me?
In Cuba.
Sure.
Now, wait, we had someone here, am I correct?
Yes.
Who was with the Herman's Hermits?
I played with Herman's Hermits for 12 years throughout the 1990s.
I listen to you all the time.
All the time.
Wow.
It was awesome. I got to travel all over the world and didn't make it to Cuba, but you know, it was really an awesome
What were the
experience.
big songs?
I'm Henry VIII. What a wonderful world they did.
I'm into something good.
I'm into something
Yes.
good.
Something
There's a kind of
tells me.
hush all over the world. They had a nice string of hits.
Mrs. Brown, you've got a lovely daughter.
I remember that.
Oh my gosh,
Oh
how
my.
great. And now where did the Caribbean influence come from?
Well, we've been playing in the Suncoast of Florida for 10 years, Chad Conti and myself, and we've been just playing all these fun venues, tiki bars, and awesome places. So, you know, it's just been
It just kind of evolved into that.
a fun experience.
What next? I want to hear you guys.
Well, you can catch Straight Up at the Jewish Food Festival on February 19th in Venice. And for more information, you can visit innerwavemusic.com. And next, Goddess Crowns with Victoria Blooms. Yes, we're going to be making them, and I'm going to be wearing them. But first, would you guys play us out to break?
Please, play something.